There we go, still in the place where it's a wholesale market for the mobile phone accessory. You can see all these goods, they are ready here. It's ready for a delivery. You can see that. And for this place, I could say they got the delivery part and they got the shop for sourcing. And once you select goods, you can select a shipping company for you to deliver your goods to your country. Alright, so look at this. And this also, you know, this building is all of the electronic product. Okay, it must be here, the Huaqiang Bay in Shenzhen. This is the Huaqiang Bay in Guangzhou. Alright. You can see, there we go, another building. You know, all of them are selling the covers. Okay, so you can see that. That's why I say this is Huaqiang Bay in Guangzhou. All the shops selling the electronic products about the mobile phone. Different kind of cell phone cover, cell phone protector, screen protector, and headphone cables. You can see that. I think this building is much better, you know, every shop's opening. Every shop's opening. Much better than the one we visited before. Much better than the one we visited before. Every shop's opening. But I like to see people busy working here. You can see this packing already. They're ready to send. Okay. Alright, but still see some shop closed already. This is, you have no idea because it's been crashed for the business. Virus been crashed for the business anywhere. Okay. Alright. So there we go, you see? This is what happening here. The mobile phone accessory wholesale market in Guangzhou. I really would like to see people with their little cars to bring their goods for delivery. That means that, you know, the business is running good. You can see that a lot of people is with their little car for delivery, loading their goods to the truck, to the buses. This is really wonderful signal. Really wonderful signal. Yeah. So alongside this road, all the buildings doing this kind of business. You can see that. Alright, this place you can even select the packing box and the packing paper here. Oh, this is really amazing. You know, if you buy the goods, you want to have a good packing, you can select a good packing box and the packing paper here. Wow, amazing, amazing, really amazing. Alright. Wonderful. I'm going to another building. It's also, you know, it's also for the mobile phone accessory wholesale. Wow. So look at them. Yeah, still say, you know, some shops move out, but still they have shop here. And starting to bring kind of it's like the game, and the children's game product, and the headphone. Yeah, headphone. All right. I see here the goods ready to deliver, and this also. Some guys doing good business, but some guys just so free. You see the post is packing, but alongside this block the shops closed already. Look, say, I think just, you know, people are moving out to another building because how to say, this building is kind of over, so they're moving to the new one. That probably good for their business. All right, this is kind of old stuff for the computer games. The how to say, I don't know how to say, but you can see that it's the well, I don't know how to say that in English, but just like that. I love the building already, and you can see this is a very good place for you to sourcing on the mobile phone accessory, the cover, and the power bank, the cables. And you can see many of the shops closed already, but still there are shops very busy. So this is a business situation here. This is a business here, and I'm going to another place which is for the lilacs and the hand chains, which for the women beauty. And let's see what is happening there. Let's move.